Burger King. French fries. There's my buddy. There you go. You want some French fries? There you go. More? There you go. And of course I'm watching Crocodile Dundee giving him fries. Here, a couple of more fries. Let's see what else to give you. Yep, you got one more here. Let's see, what else do I have for you? I have more food. This is called a bacon burger. Hold on. There you go. There he is. Eating, you pig. You gotta watch your cholesterol. Yeah. There you go. Eat that bacon. Eat it up. Don't talk with your mouth full. There. Piece of bread. Finish your bacon. It's good, right? Right here. There you go. Anyway.